Let's study the question number 5. Name the property under multiplication used in each of the following. Sub question number 1. Minus 4 by 5 into 1 is equal to 1 into minus 4 by 5 is equal to minus 4 by 5. Suppose you are multiplying any number with 1. Example 9 ones. Answer will be 9 only. If you are multiplying 100 by 1, answer is the same number, that is 100. Therefore, this 1 it is called as a multiplicative identity. So, here also same, minus 4 by 5 it is multiplied with 1 and 1 is multiplied with minus 4 by 5. The answer will be same as minus 4 by 5. It means this property it is called as a multiplicative identity. Sub question number 2. Minus 13 upon 17 into minus 2 by 7 into minus 2 is equal to minus 2 by 7 into minus 13 upon 17. It is looking same as A into B is equal to B into A. First we written A, here last written in right side part. B written next here in left side part, here B first written. This is the property it is called as commutative property for multiplication. This property it is called as commutative property for multiplication. Answer here written commutative property. Next, sub question number 3, minus 19 upon 29 into 29 upon minus 19 is equal to 1. This is a multiplicative inverse. Suppose in previous I told that is 2 by 3 is there. To write multiplicative inverse, we need to multiply by 3 by 2. We need to write reciprocal. 2 is numerator, here 2 is denominator. Here 3 is numerator, here 3 is denominator. Like this. Here also same, minus 19 upon 29. Minus 19 numerator is there, but here it is came to denominator part. And we got the answer, that is 1. Positive 1. It is multiplicative inverse property. Question number 6. Multiply 6 upon 13 by the reciprocal of minus 7 upon 16. We need to multiply 6 by 13 with, I will write 6 by 13 with reciprocal of minus 7 upon 16. This number reciprocal we need to take. It means 16 will come to the numerator part, minus 7 will come to the denominator part. We are just multiplying numerator to numerator. 16 6 are 96 divided by 13 7 are 91. And here minus is there. I will write here minus. This is your answer. Next, question number 7. Tell what property allows you to compute 1 by 3 into bracket 6 into 4 by 3 bracket completes as bracket of 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3. It is looking same as A into bracket of B into C is equal to bracket of A into B bracket close into C. You can observe the bracket is for first two numbers in left side, second number and third number. But in right side we are observing that is bracket is for first number and second number. This property it is called as associative property for multiplication. Associative property for multiplication. Question number 8. Is 8 by 9 the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 into 1 by 8? Question mark. Why or why not? They asking the question, 8 by 9, is it become multiplicative inverse of minus 1 into 1 by 8 or not? According to the multiplicative inverse, I will show here. If you are taking a number A and you are multiplying with inverse of that number, that is 1 by A, you must get positive 1. This is must be plus 1. It is called as a multiplicative inverse. If you are getting minus 1, that is not multiplicative inverse. Just I will multiply 8 by 9 into minus 1 into 1 by 8. We are just converting it to improper fraction. 8 ones are 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Minus 9 upon 8. Minus 9 upon 8. They given 8 by 9 into minus 9 by 8. 9 ones are cancel. 8 1 ja 8 1 ja, this is also cancel. Remaining answer 1 1 ja 1 1 ja, answer is 1. But here minus symbol is there, means minus 1 I am going to write. We got here minus symbol, it means it is not multiplicative inverse. Whenever we are getting multiplicative inverse, only there is plus 1. When we are getting plus 1, that is a multiplicative inverse. Question number 9. Is 0 by 3 multiplicative inverse of 3 into 1 by 3? It is also same question to the previous only. 0.3 can be written as 3 upon 10. I will take this 3 upon 10, 0.3, and I am multiplying with 3 into 1 by 3. We are converting into improper fraction. 3 3 is 9, 9 plus 1 10, 10 upon 3. 10 upon 3 is equal to this 3, numerator 3, denominator 3 get cancelled. Numerator 10, denominator 10, 10 1 ja 10 1 ja, it is also get cancelled. Remaining answer 1 1 ja, answer is 1. It is in plus 1. If we are getting plus 1, that is multiplicative inverse of that number. Yes, you need to write. Therefore, yes, 0.3 is the multiplicative inverse of 3 into 1 by 3. How to convert this one? I will show one more time. 3 into 1 by 3 is there. Multiply this into this. 3 3 is a 9. Add this number, that is plus 1. 3 3 is a 9. 9 plus 1, it is 10 divided by 3 as it is. Like this we are going to convert the mixed fractions. Next, question number 10. Write sub question number 1. The rational number does not have reciprocal. Which rational number does not have reciprocal? Answer is 0. 0, the reciprocal of 0 we cannot write 1 by 0, because 1 by 0 value is different. 1 by 0 means infinity. It will become wrong. Therefore, 0 doesn't have any reciprocal. Sub question number 2. The rational number that are equal to their reciprocal. The number and its reciprocal, it is the reciprocal, they must be same. Which number is there like that? That is 1. If you taken 1 and we are multiplying with reciprocal of 1, that is 1 by 1. 1 by 1 means also same, 1 only. Therefore, the number and the reciprocal number are same. One more example is there. Minus 1 into 1 upon minus 1. Its value is minus 1. 1 by minus of 1 means it is also minus 1 only. The number and the reciprocal number both are same. Therefore, 1 9 minus 1 are the two numbers which are having equal to their reciprocals. Sub question number 3. The rational number that is equal to its negative. The number and its negative number must be same. Answer is 0 only. 0 value is 0 only. Next, minus 0. If I am taking negative number, minus 0. Minus 0, it is not possible. Its value is 0 only. 0 and minus 0. The number and its negative number is same. That is 0. Question number 11th one. Fill in the blanks. 0 has no reciprocal. You already seen 0 doesn't have any reciprocal. Therefore, no reciprocal. Question number 2. The numbers dash and dash are their own reciprocal. We already seen 1 and minus 1. These two numbers are having their own reciprocal. Same own reciprocal. Next one. Third one. The reciprocal of minus 5. They given minus 5. Its reciprocal will be 1 upon minus 5 or minus 1 upon 5. Both are same. Question number 4th one. The reciprocal of 1 by x, where x is not equal to 0. X reciprocal is 1 by x. 1 by x reciprocal is only x. This is reverse case. Not understood means 5 reciprocal is 1 upon 5. The reciprocal of 1 upon 5, answer will be 5 only. Therefore, they given 1 by x, its reciprocal will be only x. Sub question number 5. The product of two rational numbers is always a, if you are multiplying two rational numbers, you will get rational number only. Its answer is rational number. Rational number. Sub question number 6. The reciprocal of positive rational number is, if you are multiplying two positive numbers, you are getting positive answer only. It means you need to write positive number. Example, 2 is a positive number, 3 is a positive number. If you are multiplying these two numbers, we are getting answer 6. Is it negative number or positive number? You can say it is a positive number. Exercise number 1.1, it is completed. Now we are going to start with exercise number 1.2. Question number 1. represent these numbers on number line. There are sub 2 questions are there. I am going to solve this first one, that is 7 by 4. How to represent 7 by 4 rational number on number line, I will show. Second one, you can take it as practice question. If you are not understanding how to calculate this one, please observe our next videos so that you will get to know. First one, that is 7 by 4. I will take this one. We need to represent 7 by 4. So that I will take a line, number line. Since the given number is positive number, therefore I will take 0 the left, 0 to right side, means there are positive numbers. This is 1, this point is 2. Since the given denominator, that is 4, clearly observe this one, the given denominator 4. It means from 0 to 1 I need to make 4 equal parts. First I will make 2 equal parts. Middle portion I taken so that it will become 2 equal parts. Again I will choose middle point. Therefore 0 to 1, how many 4 equal parts became? 4 equal parts. Similarly 1 to 2 make again 4 equal parts. 1 to 2 middle portion I taken means 2 equal parts became. Again middle portion if I am choosing means 4 equal parts. This first point, it is 1 by 4. 1 by 4. This second point, it is 2 by 4. This third one, 3 by 4. This one is 4 by 4. Next one is 5 by 4. This one is 6 by 4. This one 7 by 4. Last one is 8 by 4. Now we need to represent 7 by 4. Where we are observing 7 by 4? In this point. It means mark this point as P point. P point is the representation of 7 upon 4. It is your answer. Next, question number 2. Represent minus 2 by 11, minus 5 by 11, minus 9 by 11 on the number line. Okay, I written the question. Represent minus 2 by 11, minus 5 by 11, minus 9 by 11 on number line. Since they given negative numbers where they are lying on number line, they are lying on left side of 0. Therefore I taken 0 to the right side. From left of zeros the negative numbers will lie. 0 here I will take, this is minus 1 and this point will be minus 2. Observe the denominator part, they given minus 2 by 11. It means from, since we need to locate minus 2 by 11, minus 5 by 11, minus 9 by 11. Observe this denominator part, 11 they given. It means 0 to negative numbers. Suppose I taken this one is minus 1 point and here it is minus 2 number. We need to prepare 11 equal parts because denominator they given 11. It means you need to prepare 11 equal parts between 0 to minus 1. Let's begin. 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4 part, 5 part, 6 part, 7 part, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Using your scale you can make same equal parts. Since I am not using scale, sometimes they not be same. We need to locate minus 2 by 11. Before that we are going to write the points. This one is a minus 1 upon 11. This point is minus 2 by 11. This one minus 3 by 11. Minus 4 by 11. Minus 5 by 11. Minus 6 by 11. Minus 7 by 11. Minus 8 upon 11. Minus 9 upon 11. This one is a minus 10 upon 11. Last one, that is minus 11 upon 11. We need to locate minus 2 by 11. Where it is minus 2 by 11? This point. This point I will call it as P point. P point is the representation of minus 2 by 11. Next one, minus 5 by 11. Here it is. I will call this as a Q point. Q is the point representation of minus 5 by 11. Last one, minus 9 by 11. This point. This is R point. R is the point to representation of minus 9 by 11. This is your answer. Next, question number 3. Write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. You need to write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. They given 2. you need to write 2 in the form of rational number so that it will become very easy. 2 can be written as 4 by 2. Correct or wrong? 4 by 2 is nothing but 2 only. How? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. It means 2 came. 2 can be written as 4 by 2. The rational numbers which are lesser than 4 by 2, they are 3 by 2, 2 by 2, 1 by 2, 0 by 2, minus 1 by 2. So many rational numbers are there. Since we want only 5, right? Therefore, minus 3 by 2 is the first number, second number, third number, fourth number, and fifth number. This will be your answer. Next question number, fourth one. Find the 10 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. How to solve this one? First, I will observe the denominator numbers. That is a 5. Here 5 is there, here 2 is there. First, I need to make denominator same. How to make these two same? I will take minus 2 by 5 and I will multiply divided by 2. 5 2s are how much? 10. 2 5s are 10. So, I will multiply and divided by 2 by 2. What will its answer? Minus 2 2s are minus 4 upon 10. To the last number that they given 1 by 2. To make this one denominator that is 10 means we need to multiply by 5 because 5 2s are 10. Not only to the denominator, you need to multiply with numerator also. 5 1s are 5, 5 upon 10. I will write these numbers one more time in next page. Minus 4 by 10 to the 5 by 10, only 9 numbers are there. Therefore, I will again make denominator parts equal. How? Denominator 10 is there. I will multiply into 2. It will become 20. Here also same. I will multiply with 2. It will become 20. Minus 4 by 10 into 2 by 2. To the last number 5 by 10 into 2 by 2. What is the answer? Minus 4 2s are minus 8 upon 20. To the last number 5 2s are 8 upon 20. From the numbers minus 8 to plus 8, we can write 10 rational numbers. I will show how to write this one. Minus 8 previous number is minus 7 upon 20. Next number minus 6 upon 20. Next number minus 5 divided by 20. Next number minus 4 upon 20. Minus 3 upon 20. Minus 2 upon 20. Minus 1 upon 20. Next number is 0. Plus 1 by 20, plus 2 by 20, plus 3 by 20. How many we written now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 numbers written. You can write 11 or only 10 also you can write. This is your answer. Next question, question number 5. Find 5 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. One I will show, remaining you can try in your home. 2 by 3, I will take here one more page. 2 by 3, 4 by 5. Two by 3 and 4 by 5. First observe the denominator parts, 3 and 5 given. We need to make these two equal. I will multiply 2 by 3 into 5 by 5. And I will multiply last number that is 4 by 5 given. I will multiply into 3 and divided by 3. Why I multiplied like this you will understand now. 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15. Next to the last number 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15. By multiplying like that we got denominator number same, that is 15 15. How I got? I multiplied 3 with 5. I multiplied 5 with 3. Therefore, I got denominator value same. From 10 to 12, how many numbers we can write? We can write only 2, 11. Only one number we can write. But we need 5 rational numbers between 10 to 12. Therefore, I will multiply again 15 by 2. It will become 30. It will become 30. I will multiply 2 by 2. See now. I am multiplying 10 upon 15 into 2 by 2. To the last number 12 upon 15 into 2 by 2. 10 2s are 20, 15 2s are 30. To the next number, 12 2s are 24 divided by 15 2s are 30. Again 20 to 24 we can write only 3 numbers, that is 21, 22, 23. Only 3 numbers, but according to the question we need to write 5 rational numbers. Again I will multiply denominator by 30. See now, I will multiply into 2 divided by 2. Here also same, into 2 divided by 2. 22s are 40 divided by 32s are 60. To the last number, 24 2s are 48 divided by 32s are 60. You can now observe between the 40 to 48 we can write 5 rational numbers. They are 41 upon 60, 42 upon 60, 43 upon 60, 44 upon 60, 45 upon 60. These are the 5 rational numbers between that two numbers. Similarly, you can solve the remaining. They are practice questions. Question number 6.1. Write 5 rational numbers greater than -2. You need to write rational number only which are greater than -2. -2 can be written in the form of rational number, that is -4 upon 2. Right or wrong? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. It means -2 can be written as -4 by 2. The greater numbers other than -4 by 2, they are -3 by 2. It is wrong. -2 by 2, -1, 0, 1 by 2, 2 by 2. The numbers greater than -4 by 2, they are -3 by 2, -2 by 2, -1, 0, 1 by 2, 3 by 2, or 2 by 3. Sorry, 2 by 2. These are the answers.